cauliflower, organic brown eggs, tomatoes, zucchini, spinach and arugula, cucumber, 2 avocados, whole grain bread, bananas, kale, oat milk, raisins, raw almonds, pecans, pistachios, and kernels, Brussels sprouts, celery, semi-sweet chocolate morsels, mangoes, bag of sweet potatoes, onion powder, garlic powder, a papaya. Y'all, I've never had a freaking papaya, but I was looking at this list and I'm trying to incorporate more alkaline foods, and papaya was on there, zucchini was on there, avocados, bananas, cucumbers, all that was on there. So that's what that's about. But I mean, I'm excited to try it. I'm pretty sure I asked for organic apples and these don't say organic, so I'm assuming that the shopper picked up the wrong kind, which happens, but I'm gonna go and check my receipt just in case. And if this is the wrong kind, I will report it, because that's the good thing about Instacart. If your shopper does give you the wrong item, you can report it and they will put a credit on your account for your next grocery trip, so that's good. There's a bag of Cara oranges, and that completes my haul. I am missing, I believe, 3 things from this haul. I was supposed to get veggie broth, they were out of stock. Agave, they were out of stock. And I was supposed to also get ginger root, they were out of stock. So I will be going out later to get those from a different grocery store, probably Kroger. So the total came out to $71.46, and that did not include tip. I will be adding the tip separately. Yeah, my receipt says I paid for organic gala apples, and this is not organic. That's what I'm saying. When I was talking to this shopper, I think she didn't really know what she was doing, because I also was trying to tell her that the agave is usually on the end cap, and she was like, oh, this is the end cap it will be on. She sent me the picture. It was not the end cap I was referring to. So yeah. So let me see if I can show y'all that on here. So here, organic gala apples, $4.39. So I paid for them, but she picked up just a regular bag of apples. So I'm gonna go in here and report an issue. Okay, there we go, right there. So I'm gonna cover her face up so y'all don't see who it is. But, oh, let me do it like that. So you get to rate her, and then down here it says report an issue. Ooh. So we're gonna report an issue. Y'all can't see her. I'm sure there's plenty of people named that. So we have different options here. We're gonna select wrong item. Then we're going to scroll down to the apples, and sorry you received a wrong item with your order. Please select the item which were not received and we'll get back to you shortly. So I did get apples, but they weren't organic, so I'm selecting the organic apples, submitted issue. And basically, you'll get an email within like a few minutes or an hour or so, and they're gonna say, oh, we credited this for blah, 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 back to your account, and then you'll have it for the next time. So I guess it actually worked out that I got a wrong item, because I was able to go over with you all about how to get that taken care of or corrected. We're gonna give her 3 stars. Okay, as you've seen in the grocery haul, I had a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. So I want to show you all how I clean those before I eat them. I rinse out my sink, make sure it's clean. If I feel like it needs to be sprayed down, I will with some cleaner, but it's looking pretty clean, so I'm not gonna do that. Once my sink is rinsed out, I'll take my stop. You see it has baking soda all on it. And we're gonna put in, not hot, not cold, lukewarm water. And we're gonna add in all the fresh fruits and vegetables, with the exception of bananas, avocados, oranges, and the papaya because of their tough skin. So mainly, I do this cleaning for thin skinned fruits and vegetables. Okay, so after all my fruits and vegetables are in there in the water, I'm gonna take some baking soda and I just kind of eyeball it. Just kind of eyeball it, make sure it's nice and mixed in so that it gets the fruits and vegetables on the bottom. I'll add a little more. I have like the big size from from Sam's Club, so I have plenty of baking soda. And then I take my white vinegar and I pour it into the mixture. You can also do this with apple cider vinegar, but I just use white vinegar. And you don't want it to sit in there too long because I have experienced leaving fruits and vegetables in here too long, and then I started to have like a pickling type situation going on, and you don't want that. So I wouldn't leave them soaking for more than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let these soak for a bit while I put up my oranges, bananas, avocado, and papaya. And everything else is already put up. And I just rinse some with the cool, not cold, cool temp. And I just place them on a couple kitchen towels. I don't pick like my best kitchen towels. I pick the thickest one and then maybe the biggest one, so they can have somewhere to dry out on. Because this is like a usual thing for me. I'm usually getting this many fruits and vegetables and taking up my whole counter trying to dry them.